me, my new car video. 600 million views. I'm so famous now that Nissan saw my video and got me the brand new Nissan Micra. It's got a radio. It's got a registration plate. Hey, you like gas? Just put that in there. Not a problem. It's got wheels. 4 of them. Goes all the way around. Just like I'll take you around the world, baby. On this Nissan Micra. You want to be able to see at night when you drive? It got lights. LED. It's a sporty car. Look at this sporty body! Sporty body! It's gentle, despite their aggressive lines. I think I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Help! Help me, I'm stuck! The trunk is humongous. How long have you been there? 8. Alright. Romanians, am I right? It even has a camera built in. There we go. There we go. It's nice and safe. Oh, my Romanian! Romanian! How close can you go? We see him here, so it's safe. That's why we know it's safe. This is really safe. It's definitely safe. Oh, it's so safe. But my favorite thing, it comes with free bread. Oh, I was gonna add these. But this car doesn't need any extra additions. Wait a minute. What the fuck is that? Oni-chan. Oni-chan.
Kawaii, kawaii, kawaii. Sugoi desu-chan.
When did you get that, Nissan?
Sugoi desu-chan.
There's no way that's as fast as mine!
Desu, 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 sugoi. Sugoi desu-chan, kawaii.
I would love to accept your challenge.
Kawaii desu-chan, kawaii. Kawaii, 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 kawaii.
You think you can beat me, Oni-chan?
Oh, kawaii!
I'm losing. How is this possible?
Kawaii!
I understand what you were trying to say. Oni-chan, you've taught me that winning is not everything. It's about love, friendship, respect, and this brand new Nissan Micra. Oni-chan, I love you. Take me back, please.
Sugoi! Sugoi! Sugoi!
I love you. I always loved you. Shh. Love needs no words. Let's walk off in the sunset. Well, that was a weird shoot. Thanks to Nissan for supporting us and letting us check out the new Micra. I'll left a link in the description to check out the car. We did the first car video picking the car randomly. So I thought it was so funny that they reached out to actually promote their new Nissan Micra because they saw my original video. So I don't know, that's just really cool that they have a sense of humor. And the new car is actually, this is obviously a sponsored video, so you don't have to believe me, but I thought the new car was really cool. And we didn't really show all the features that were actually cool. But I really like that. I genuinely recommend it, so I don't know, check it out. Link in the description. I'm so tired, it was such a long day, but it was a lot of fun. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you bros in the next video. As always, stay awesome.